friends, I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter H. These words start with H. Hearts, hugs, and honey. Hearts, hugs, and honey. I'll start with H. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter H with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big H or the little h? Okay, let's draw the big H first. Draw two lines, connect them in the middle. Great job, friends. Let's pretend to play the fiddle. Great job drawing the big H. Now let's draw the little h. Draw a line, go back up, make a hill. Now let's jump. Great job! Let's do that again. Draw a line, go back up, make a hill. Now let's jump. Great job, friends! Do you remember what letter we met today? That's right, the letter H. Thank you for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.